decided to come in here to this spot. It's on the farm. It's a pretty good ways in the woods, and I never bring the decoy all the way in here just because it's a pain to lug around. But decided to set it up and put a camera up over here and just see what's around, see if I can get an interaction, any deer, buck maybe hitting it or something. I'll leave it in there a couple days, come back and check it. That's my old stand. We'll walk down this edge here, see if there's some any deer sign, any scrapes or anything. It's usually a pretty good spot. Always put a camera in here and get whatever's in this woods. Anyway, check it out. So I lost this deer's ear somewhere. It's decoy. I'm gonna stick this leaf in here. See if that makes a difference. Maybe we'll get some good footage. Heading back in to check out where I put this decoy out. Check the camera. See if anything's even been around it. Well, my decoy is still standing after the storm and everything. So not much hope on a buck crashing it. I didn't have anything on camera, even around the decoy. I'm still going to try to sit in here while I hunt. See if something walks by. I'll rattle and call for a little bit. Never know. Video or anything, so that was all on my cell phone. You kind of see his reaction to the decoy. Maybe postured for a second and then probably caught my scent, turned around, ran off. I'll give it a little while and see if he'll come back. I just had that second little small buck come in, same path as the other one, pretty much did the same thing, hung around a little longer. But it looks like they're all just trailing down this ditch and must be looking for where a doe crossed or something. Even though neither one of those bucks went to my decoy, what it did do is take all their attention off of me because they came from my right side. Decoy's over here, and they were just, you know, distracted with it. So you can definitely get away with a lot more movement. Would be one advantage to using a decoy if you're willing to lug it around. Now that I've been in here and thought about it, when I checked the camera earlier, I wasn't even thinking about the wind. I was just excited to get in the stand. I should have moved my decoy to where they wouldn't have to cross my wind to get to it. So I should have put it over here. I'm probably getting ready to head out, but it's been a fun morning. I always like hunting this spot. It's where I first started steel hunting, was this exact spot. So it looked a lot different then. But anyway, I'll try the decoy again next morning hunting here.